Shopping at mall is a common occurrence for many families nowadays. Today, let's discuss this topic and draw it from memory. But before that, let me welcome you CSS channel. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in landscape mode. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed for next step. In the end, use color reference as shown. To begin, let's start with planning. I have a few options, but I want to keep it simple. Usually, I start with the human figures in my drawings. However, this time I will start with the billing counter to keep the focus on it. Then, I will add another human figures starting with an almond shape for the head. Make sure to keep the legs and counter at ground level close together to create the feeling that they are close. I haven't finished the trolley yet because I'm focusing on placement and not details. Let's finish the other figures for now. We are done with placements. Now it's time for details. Let's show the store staff's uniform and add some background elements to make it come alive. And finally, it's color time. For more helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society's YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't wait any longer. Subscribe now.